Most drone pilots never make real money. They post a few clips, land a couple of gigs, and wonder why they're stuck at a few $100 a month. But the pilots who break six figures, they know one secret the others don't. And it has nothing to do with flying. It's about selling. And that's what you're about to learn. Today, we're not giving you a list of 5 jobs. We're giving you the 3-pillar blueprint to building a client-getting machine. This is the difference between being a drone guy and being a business owner. Let's get into it. Pillar number 1 is your high-value service stack. Notice the wording, not your services, your service stack. Most pilots think, I can shoot real estate. That's a commodity. A professional thinks, I provide a complete aerial marketing package for luxury real estate agents that helps them sell homes 30% faster. See the difference? You need to stack your skills into an irresistible offer. Don't just sell photos, sell a solution. For example, instead of drone photos for construction, you offer weekly progression monitoring for general contractors. That's not a $500 gig. That's a $5,000 a month retainer. So your first action item is this. Pick one industry. Brainstorm a stack of 3-4 services that solve a major problem for that client. That stack becomes your high-value product. Now, once you have a product worth selling, you need someone to sell it to. This brings us to the most important pillar. Pillar number 2, the client attraction machine. This is where 99% of pilots fail. They post a few clips on Instagram and wait for the phone to ring. That's not a strategy. That's a lottery ticket. You need a machine, a repeatable system. It has 2 parts, the proof and the pitch. The proof is your portfolio, but it must speak directly to your ideal client. Next is the pitch. Stop sending generic emails. Instead, you lead with value. Record a 60-second video of their business, their project, or a property they're listing. Then, send them an email with a powerful subject line. In the email you say, Hi, name. I was flying near your project and captured this quick clip for you to use, no strings attached. I specialize in helping client type achieve desired result. If you're interested in a more comprehensive package, let me know. Enjoy the video. You've just gone from a nobody to a professional who provided value up front. Okay, that's the core strategy, the what and the why. But you're probably thinking, what do I actually say in the email? How do I price the retainer? What does a proposal look like? You need the how. We've put the entire playbook together for you. The email templates, pricing calculators, and client acquisition checklists. Everything. It's all waiting for you at dronepros.org. This is the resource that takes you from pilot to profitable business owner. All right, you've got your service stack and a machine to attract clients. Now for pillar 3, the profit maximizer system. This is about getting paid what you're worth. Stop charging by the hour. You are selling a return on investment. You anchor your price to the value you provide, not the time it takes. The second part is building systems. Every minute you save on admin is another minute you can spend on high-value tasks, like pitching new clients. This is how you scale. So there it is, the 3-pillar blueprint. High-value service stack, sell a solution. Client attraction machine, provide value first. Profit maximizer. System, price on value, build for scale. This is the roadmap. You have the tool in your hands. Now you have the plan. The opportunity right now in the drone industry is massive, but it's not going to fall into your lap. You have to build it. And your next step is simple. Go to dronepros.org and get started. Join a community of professionals who are serious about growth. Stop just being a pilot and start being a business owner. Now stop watching and go build your empire.